Good afternoon. My name is Ricardo Naranjo, and today we're going to be presenting to you guys case study number 5, the Bullock gold mining, and these are my classmates.
My name is Jose Ibarra.
My name is Nicolette Ristow.
My name is Stephanie Espinosa.
And today's agenda, we're going to be going over the summary of the case, the payback period, the internal rate of return, its modified internal rate of return, the net present value, and lastly, the company's recommendation.
For the summary of the case, Seth Bullock, the owner of Bullock Gold Mining, considering the development of a new gold mine in South Dakota. Dan Doherty, the company's geologist, has completed his analysis of the mine site and estimates that the mine will be productive for 8 years, after which the gold will deposit be exhausted. Based on Dan's finding, Al McGarrett, the company's financial officer, must now evaluate the project's financial viability. The initial investment required to open the mine was $745 million, with an additional $55 million expected 9 years from now for closing and land reclamation. The projected annual cash flow for the mine ranged from $127 million to $225 million over the next 8 years period. Bullock Gold Mining requires a minimum of 12% on its investments.
Yeah, so question 1 asked to construct a spreadsheet to calculate the payback period, the internal rate of return, the modified internal rate of return, and the net present value of the proposed mine. When looking to find the payback period, I first made the spreadsheet here, and I used the two formulas, C2 plus C3 first, to get the cumulative cash flows, to get negative 618 million. Then I used D3 plus C4 to get the rest of them, and I continued that the same way, and we found that the payback period was at year 5. And to be exact, it was 4.68.
So after the payback period, we had to find our internal rate of return, which is an annual rate of growth that an investment is expected to generate. So I used the IRR formula in Excel and added all the cash flows together, and it came out as 12.47%. Then we had to find the modified internal rate of return, which is used for financial profit of an investment. And I employed the MIRR formula to get all the cash flows and apply the 12%, and it came out as 12.20%.
For this part, I calculated the net present value. So I applied the MVP formula, 12%. I began with an initial cash flow of 127 million and included subsequent cash flow, including a negative 745 million outflow, resulting in a net present value of 12,459,118. With an equation equaling MVP, 12% equals C3 to C11 plus C2.
Moving over to question number 2, based on our analysis, what should the company open? Should the company open the mine? And for the response was the best option would be if the mine is not open, because based on the net present value calculation, it was around negative $68.5 million, resulting in losses for the company and losing value. Moreover, the project's expected return does not meet its required return of 12%, which indicates that it would not be the best fit to invest in this mine. Thank you.